I heard about Dr. Alderman through a very good friend of mine. She had just recently had a procedure. She said, well, I had, a mommy makeover. And I said, I'm really interested in that. And she looked at me and was like, why would you need a mommy makeover? And I shared with her that, through having my own son, I had stretch marks, my skin had stretched. Even though I was in good shape, I still wanted to, tighten things up and look a little better. So she said, well, I have the perfect physician for you. Her name is Dr. Alderman. She's great with patients. Her bedside manner was really great, and she'll take excellent care of you. I didn't even consider going to another physician. After I had that recommendation, I was like, you know what, I'm going to meet her. So I set up the appointment, went in, had the consultation, and she was just as sweet as she could be. She shared with me why she thought I should do certain things, and I was trying to add on, hey, I like a butt lift, and she was like, you have a cute little butt. You don't need all of that. You're in great shape, so let me get some pictures, and let me tell you what I recommend. And so after we had the pictures, and she pointed out and went through everything with me, I was like, you know what, you're the doctor, and I agreed to it. I'm going to do exactly what you tell me to do. Set up the surgery, had the procedure. I walked out of the OR like a champ. She called me on the phone to check on me that evening, and I had my follow-up appointments. I was healing very well, recommended, some treatments for me because I know that my skin type, I tended to keloid, so I had some great skin treatment that really helped reduce the scarring, which really mattered to me because now, at that age, having that procedure done, I want to sport a bikini, and I want it to look good. And so she recommended something for that.
The experience I have with the staff is stellar. Friendly, comforting, hugs, everything that encompasses what a great team should be is what I experienced. It's going to lead me to continue on with Dr. Alderman's team, and they just care for you. It is a very loving environment, nurturing. I can't speak highly enough about the staff here.
I have a younger sister who had lost a lot of weight, and she came and had a mini tummy tuck and a breast augmentation by Dr. Alderman, and raved so much about Dr. Alderman and how sweet she was and how well taken care of she was. And for years I have wanted to have some work done but needed to lose weight. So when the weight started coming off, I made an appointment to come in, and right away just fell in love with the customer service, the fact that I felt more like she was a friend and that she was going to take really good care of me. She listened to me, she counseled me on what my expectations should be. I just really felt comfortable. I felt like she wasn't going to let anything happen to me, and I was going to look great when she was done, and she absolutely delivered.
I researched her. I really, literally stalked her background and education. And when I came into her office, my fears were put at ease. She has such great bedside manner. She's a great doctor. She's super nice. She's so nurturing, and it just made my surgery that much easier. My surgeries that much easier.
What I would tell patients is, obviously I was the patient myself, is I would tell them what you're feeling is natural, and the communication to your doctor is probably the best tool that you have to tell them, I'm scared, I'm nervous, what about this, what about that. Have the expertise of their knowledge help you to make that decision, to make you feel confident about what you're doing. That was probably the most important thing that Dr. Alderman did for me, was back it up by science, also back it up by her experience, by this was 100% normal what I was feeling.
She literally will explain every single thing to you, from soup to nuts, beginning to end, about your surgery and what's going to happen, what to expect, how you're going to feel. She's going to call you right after your surgery. She's just amazing.
I was very comfortable, not nervous at all. I felt like everybody just made sure that I was taken care of. Whatever I needed, I was taken care of. The anesthesiologist was awesome. I have always had problems with having an upset stomach after having anesthesia, and she listened to my complaints and made sure that did not happen.
Let me just tell you why I really like Dr. Alderman. Not like I love her. After having that procedure, and that was in, I think, 2011, I woke up one morning not feeling so well and decided, that my back was hurting me. And I had my son come and touch my back, and he's like, Mom, there's a really big lump in your back. Scared me to death. So I called Dr. Alderman. I was like, I have this lump in my back. I don't know what to do. I'm really, really scared. She told me, this is what I want you to do. I want you to set up an appointment, come in and see me, let me have a look at it, let me see if maybe I can biopsy it for you to send it in, so that we can go through this process together. I came in, she looked at it, and she was like, I really don't think I should be the one doing this. I'm going to refer you to a great doctor that I think can help you. And then when you get your biopsy results, call me. The instant you get them, call me. Certainly, I went through that, got the results. I called Dr. Alderman. She was driving to meet, I think, to her parents' home. And then I sent her a copy of the results. She went through it, told me what it was about, not to be scared. She would be there for me. She would hold my hands if she had to. And I appreciated that, because it wasn't just about, me being her patient for this procedure. It was about her caring about me as a person.
I'm super proud of the fact that she had the courage to step out on her own and own her own business.
I tell all my friends, you have got to go see Dr. Alderman. They are fabulous.